Can German Shepherds be trained for lure coursing trials? German Shepherds are renowned for their intelligence, loyalty, and versatility. They are highly capable working dogs, often used in various roles such as police dogs, search and rescue dogs, and guide dogs. But can they also excel in the exciting sport of lure coursing? Let's explore whether German Shepherds can be trained for lure coursing trials. Lure coursing is a popular dog sport that simulates prey chasing in a controlled environment. Dogs are tested on their ability to follow a mechanically operated lure, typically a plastic bag or a fluffy toy attached to a track at high speeds. The course is designed to mimic a running rabbit or hare, triggering the dog's natural instinct to give chase. While sighthounds like greyhounds and Seleucus are traditionally well suited for this sport, there is potential for other breeds to participate as well. German Shepherds, with their athleticism and strong prey drive, have the necessary qualities to excel in lure coursing. These dogs were initially bred to be herding dogs, and their ability to track, chase, and capture livestock is part of their genetic makeup. Lure coursing is a similar pursuit, as it taps into the dog's innate prey drive and allows them to showcase their natural abilities. Additionally, the German Shepherd's intelligence and trainability make them excellent candidates for learning and executing the required skills. Training a German Shepherd for lure coursing trials requires a systematic approach that involves developing their physical fitness and teaching them the specific commands needed for the sport. Like all athletes, German Shepherds need to be in optimal physical condition to perform at their best. Regular exercise, including long walks, swimming, and agility training, can help build the necessary stamina and muscle strength. A healthy diet is also crucial to provide the dog with the energy they need to succeed in lure coursing trials. Once the dog is physically prepared, the next step is to teach them the specific commands used in lure coursing. Basic obedience training is essential and should include commands such as heel, sit, stay, and recall. These commands lay the foundation for more advanced training and ensure that the dog understands and follows their handler's instructions during a lure coursing trial. Advanced obedience training can include commands like leave it, take it, and directional cues like left and right, which are particularly important in lure coursing. To introduce the dog to lure coursing, a stepping stone approach can be used. First, the dog is familiarized with the lure in a controlled environment, encouraging them to chase and capture it. Positive reinforcement, such as treats or praise, can reinforce the desired behavior. As the dog progresses, the lure can be gradually moved to simulate the high-speed coursing experience. Handlers should always prioritize the safety and well-being of the dog, ensuring that the activity remains enjoyable and stress-free. Participating in lure coursing trials requires both the dog and the handler to work as a team. The handler's role is crucial, as they must guide the dog and provide clear commands and cues throughout the course. They need to be able to read their dog's body language and adjust their handling and strategies accordingly. Building a strong bond between dog and handler through consistent training and positive reinforcement is essential for success in lure coursing trials. It is important to note that while German Shepherds have the potential to excel in lure coursing trials, not all individuals may enjoy or be suited for this activity. Each dog is unique, and their temperament, physical abilities, and interests should be taken into consideration before training them for lure coursing. Consulting with professional trainers and breed experts can provide valuable guidance in determining whether a German Shepherd is a suitable candidate for this sport. In conclusion, German Shepherds can indeed be trained for lure coursing trials. Their natural athleticism, intelligence, and prey drive make them well suited for this exciting sport. With proper training, physical conditioning, and an understanding of the breed's capabilities, German Shepherds can compete alongside other breeds in lure coursing trials, showcasing their innate chasing instincts and impeccable trainability.